뭘 하나 마시자.
뜨거운데 이거 안 하세요?
My name is Ayako.
My name is Eito.
Eito-san. Hello, Eito-san. How are you?
I'm finding you.
Great. Have you been to the Philippines? Oh, I see. You should come and visit the Philippines, especially here in Cebu. Yeah.
I have a question. What is the best season to travel?
Well, anytime is the best season to travel here in Cebu. But from March until May is summer season. So you can enjoy the white sun beaches with some sunshine.
What food do you recommend in Cebu?
Well,